Welcome back, my YouTube friends, woodworking friends. Sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. Have been kind of busy. We're pouring concrete today. We've got footers and columns going up. We're just waiting on the cement truck to get here right now, but we're getting ready to get busy. Once the footers are in, we'll wait 3-4 days and commence to putting block in. But we're looking good for next week. Start putting these walls up. So I'm really happy. This is a milestone, and just getting the footers in today, and all the rebars in the ground. I'll shoot something when the cement truck gets here. All right, I'm back. Looks like the truck's here. We are pouring concrete now. Some of you contractors from America are gonna laugh your asses off, but the way they do things here is just ridiculous. But you know, it's looking pretty good so far. We don't get any frost here, so I guess it doesn't matter as much as it does in America. So anyway, this should be done in about 30 minutes, and I'll keep you informed.